Okay, so in this video, we are going to go over the Harmonic scanner. This is the flagship strategy scanner that IM has produced. It is the flagship one. It's been here since the very beginning. It's an amazing system, an amazing program, an amazing strategy scanner. So we're going to take a look at that. So let's click on it. It's going to bring us right to the login screen. If you're not logged in, I'm already logged in. Okay, and you can fix the modes. If you like it light, you can leave it light. If you prefer dark, you can do that too. There's two different versions of the dark. Okay, and you also have other versions where it changes up the color scheme for you just a bit. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with dark 2.0. I'll go with dark 2.0. Okay, and so essentially harmonic scanners will scan all the candlesticks for harmonic patterns that appear on these charts. Now, most likely you've probably seen my entire course where I'm going over the basics of Forex and binary options, as well as some charting basics as well. So I'm assuming you've already seen that before you get to this point over here. This is exclusive training. So we already spoke about harmonics, right, in great detail. And this will produce the scans for each of them. And it will give us which pattern it is indicating. So in this case, we're looking at the Euro USD Gartley pattern. Okay, and as you can see, this is picked up on the 1 hour. All right, so it will get to an ideal entry point like it did right over here, and peep how this wicked over to the ideal goal 1. This would be considered take profit or target number 1, take profit or target number 2, take profit or target number 3. It has hit the take profit level before it decided to continue going the upward motion. But shout out to the fact that this Gartley pattern picked up a really good quick scalp. All right, and in advance too. All right, as you can see over here, here was the entry price. All right, picked it up ahead of time. Once the pattern completed, all right, it gave you the entry price at 1.10009. So that was the entry price, and it hit the original target, which is great. Now, several functionalities behind this, of course. All right, here's the currency pair. Here's the time frame of the chart. If you want to switch it up, you absolutely can. You can change the different type of chart it is. All right, and you could throw on some additional indicators if you choose to. Okay, and right over here, you can even load notes. So it's really cool to be a student of the IM Mastery Academy when you have access to all these different features. Okay, can you add additional indicators? Can you add additional drawing tools to it? Yes, you can. All right, if I double click, all the other ones would appear, and this is meant for you to be able to see any kind of confluence, all right, in the market. Now, a lot of these indicators have updated, so feel free to, switch it up, change it all around, and you can actually save the layout. So we can save the layout together. Let me just double click over here, and I'm going to switch some things up around, okay? All right, so let me actually get rid of this, and all right, let me get rid of those. Harmonic scanners work really well with the MACD. So I'm going to go right over here in indicators, and I'm going to add the MACD. Okay, boom. All right, we're going to add the MACD, and I'm going to double click on it. kind of switch the colors around a little bit. And then you can save as default. So the next time you load this indicator, it will show in the way you want to show it, okay? You don't have to do what I did as far as switching colors around is concerned. That could completely be totally up to your preference, right? Another indicator I would add stochastic. Okay, I will add the stochastic RSI. All right, so with this kind of combination, I'll be able to get several different viewpoints as to what I believe the market may do. So right when it got to this point right over here at the entry price, all right, we can see, okay, right over here, as this bad boy over here was going down, all right, the MACD was showing some divergence over here, and we did get a cross over here, all right, and that was a quick snipe right there, very quick snipe. Now we can look at some other patterns and see what's going on. Okay, peep this pattern. All right, this pattern had two potential entry prices, and it had an ideal goal right here, which did not hit. Let's go over to the 4-hour ones. I know the higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmations. Here's actually a fresh one. This is a fresh one that's forming right here. This is very fresh, as a matter of fact. Euro USD and ideal goal is right over here. So here's a fresh one. And you always gonna want to see this. Over here on the stochastic, it is already showing that this is overbought. So it's a matter of time before it comes back down. And we should see the crossover here on the MACD as well when it's ready to come back down. So a move like this, I would definitely anticipate it. All right. And so right over here is an excellent point, all right, for a potential entry. And so this is the kind of thing that we could do as a community where we could get into these discussions. Hey, look, peep the Euro USD on the harmonics, all right? Peep Euro USD on harmonics. Look at it from the 4-hour, and we could confirm each other's analysis, or you can bring me a snapshot, send me a snapshot, and I could confirm your analysis. But essentially, it's going to give us the important price points, a validation level, that stop loss, entry price, all right, and 3 take profits. You see right over here. I like to always go with the first take profit. Now, if the market is already moving in profits, then it'll give me a chance to adjust my stop loss to the first ideal goal on the way to the second goal. So that way, if it hits my new stop loss, which was my original TP, I'm still in profit, right? So, there's trailing stop strategies that you can learn, through the academy and things of that nature, okay? And also through the Go Live sessions. You'll be able to pick up, some of these different skills. So you're gonna wanna analyze, the harmonic scanner, on the Forex side also. All right, here's some exotics over here, USD ZAR, all right, USD ZAR. That's the South African rand, for example. All right, you have the Mexican currency here as well. So these are exotic currencies. The thing with exotic currencies is there's a whole lot of pips to gain, and it's extremely volatile. So you have to really mind your risk management when it comes to that. All right, these are international stock markets, all right, over here. Okay, these are commodities right over here. All right, and as far as crypto goes, we don't have to look too far. We just go over here to the academy, go to stocks and crypto, and hit the Harmonics DCX, which is basically the harmonic scanner, but the cryptocurrency version. Okay, and there you have it. All right, here we go, BNB, BTC. All right, here's another fresh signal right over here. That's pumping. Okay. And so, you could definitely look around, look for these potential opportunities, confirm the analysis of the AI scanner, and you'll be good to go. There's other key features over here, of course. Quick links to the other scanners. All right, here are the drawing tools right over here. Indicators, alerts. Okay. All right, time frame. Switch around the alerts. These are all clickable right over here. So as soon as you click it, it'll bring you to that chart. Switch up the time frames, save the layout as you need to, take a snapshot to share some ideas. So really good stuff over here. I would definitely recommend for you to add this tool into your arsenal. If you don't have access to this, you could get access to the DCX Harmonics with the Stocks of Crypto membership. If you want the regular Harmonic scanner that does indices, it does commodities and Forex pairs, then that's the typical one you get on the Forex side of things, all right? And I think these will be very useful tools for you, so take advantage, okay? Lots of stuff over here. Here's a risk calculator, okay? Right over here. Economic calendar right over here. A real quick economic calendar for you. Just take a look at some news. Okay, and there we go. I mean, that's really it, guys. It's not rocket science. All right, this is really cool. Get to save your notes. Switch up the themes as you see fit, and you will be good to go. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. All right, and should you have any questions about the Harmonic scanners, let us know, and we'll do our best to help you out. You can also download the Harmonic scanner cheat sheet, okay, that I've slipped into the program. So hit me up about it if you can't find it. Peace.